Hey, we have our lovely patient here, Macy. She agreed to be with her today, but we keep the camera behind her shoulders for her own privacy as she requested. Macy, what did you get?
I got a mommy makeover, a breast lift, and a tummy tuck
When was that?
late last year.
Before the surgery, what was the most thing you were unhappy about? Was it the shape, the proportion? What is specifically?
All of the above. Most importantly, I was unhappy with the post-pregnancy shape of my body.
How that affected you today?
Honestly, it only affected me in looking in the mirror, in the reflection, and then just overall morale. You want to feel good about yourself. You want to look good. So no matter how hard I worked out and took care of myself, there was always something missing.
Why the reflection specifically?
Because when you look at yourself, you want to feel good. And so the memory of pre-children was not there anymore. I've had 3 kids over a span of 5 years, and I wanted to get back to my pre-pregnancy shape.
Was there any moment you thought you should probably do anything about this?
All the time. All the time. It was a little nag in the back of my mind, constantly reminding me that I should do something, I should do something.
For how many years?
At least 5 years.
What was the defining moment that made you seek to have a surgery?
I don't know, it was just time. And then I saw your work and I booked my session with you.
What were you scared the most of when you get a mommy makeover?
The recovery and in all honesty, if there was going to be any asymmetry, but there's none of that.
What did you do to choose the right doctor, not just the cheapest option in the market?
I did my research. I followed your page. I looked at all of your results. And then I just scheduled the consult and booked my session.
During the consult, what made you specifically get to the point that this is my doctor?
Just the vibe, just your confidence, how you explained everything to me, and that was it. It was just that easy.
Among those safety, result, value for money, what was your priority?
Safety.
Why safety?
Because I have children and I want to make sure that I'm getting out of the surgery in a form where I can function and carry on day-to-day life.
The day of the surgery, what was going on through your head?
I couldn't wait to get started with the post-op and take a look at the results.
You were not nervous at all?
No, you had built my confidence that I was A-okay going into the surgery.
What surprised you the most after the surgery during the recovery time?
That it didn't take that long to bounce back.
How many days or weeks did it take?
Within 3 days, I was up and down stairs and fully mobile. Within a week, I was driving. Within 2 weeks, I was back to normal for.
Yeah, this is very reassuring. A lot of patients ask after mommy makeover, how many days do they need to go back to their normal life? When did it hit you that the results are real?
It's been hitting me throughout the journey, but most recently it has been cemented that the results are real.
How?
The way my clothes fit around me, the way I can look at the certain definition of parts of my body, and most recently even when I'm working out. It's just different results, everything is settling in.
When did your circle start to notice you get some kind of change in your shape? After how many days, weeks?
I want to say like within a month or so, people were starting to ask questions. The results were so amazing that my sister came to get work done with Dr. B, and my friend wants to come and have a consultation also for a mommy makeover.
So what did you say to her that make her pursue to have a procedure with me?
I didn't have to say anything. The results speak for themselves.
Was there anything you didn't want during your procedure that you did tell me and you were expecting that to happen?
I didn't know what I want. I just trusted your expertise and your opinion, and the results speak for themselves.
If a New York woman or tri-state woman watching this and she is like debating to come here or another clinic, what will you tell her?
I would say to definitely go with the expertise because it makes a difference. You will make up for the money later with the results that you get.
If somebody is scared because they hear online about potential risk with mommy makeover, what will you tell them?
Just follow your pre-op and post-op and follow the doctor's orders. You should be good.
Why will you recommend me to a friend or a sister or somebody you know?
Because you are very diligent in what you do and your expertise speaks volumes with the results.